Do you want to know the 7 deadly sins that small scale business owners make? Watch this video. Hi, my name is Amit Bajaj. I am the business head of Bajaj Formulations. We are a WHO certified pharmaceutical formulation unit based in Roorkee. In the past 12 years, we have helped over 2,000 companies grow their business from 37% to more than 500%. We have our medicines present in each and every district of the country. After completing my education as a chartered accountant, I started a business with the Apollo Hospitals Group by the name of Apollo Clinic, which had huge investment and was a drastic failure. We lost all the money in that, and we had to start afresh when we came up with an idea of starting Bajaj Pharmaceuticals in 2007. 12 years back in 2007, we started with the most basic setup and were probably one of the smallest manufacturing unit in Uttaranchal. Now with the support of all the customers, today we are a WHO certified unit spread with 4 manufacturing facilities including in-house printing solutions. Being a chartered accountant and having worked with more than 2,500 small scale business owners, I have tried to point out 7 serious mistakes which I call as sins. पाप है वो पाप एक small scale business owner के लिए जिससे बचना चाहिए. Make sure you avoid them. Sin number 1, being a jack of all trade. हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि we should have multiple business options. Like an old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So we try to invest and spread our energies in different kinds of businesses. This doesn't work. अगर ये वर्क कर रहा होता तो मैकडॉनल्ड्स आज पिज्जा भी बेच रहा होता और इंडिया में छोले भटूरे भी बेच रहा होता. बट इफ यू लुक एट बिजनेसेस ऑल अक्रॉस, बिजनेसेस दैट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर निश, एक पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट में जो बिजनेसेस काम करते हैं, they do better than the businesses that focus on larger number of options. Sin number 2, trying to learn everything and trying to do everything on our own. You know, we spend a lot of time trying to learn each and every new thing. I am not saying that learning is bad, but learning requires a lot of time and energy, and moreover, as you all know, little knowledge is a very dangerous thing. Instead of wasting all our time and energy in trying to learn each and everything, we should clearly know whom to take support from in case we need any assistance or help. Sin number 3, all work and no play. हम जो business owners होते हैं ना, जो small scale business specially, वो ना अपनी पूरी आत्मा तक झोंक देते हैं business में. Why? Just to have a good lifestyle for oneself and the family. We invest our whole life into the business, just trying to improve the standard of our life or the quality of our life. Science has proved that if we rigorously go on working and do not find out appropriate time for recreation or doing things we love, our business cannot prosper. We have to treat business as part of life and not life itself. Sin number 4, have a B plan, not a plan B. Most of the people don't get it. Having a plan B means whenever anyone does anything new, problems, obstacles and failures are bound to happen. Despite all these obstacles, barriers and failures, we must stay focused on the core idea of business we have started with. We should not drop that idea and switch to another business idea which is called plan B. Rather than, we should see what correct or what improvisation is needed in the plan A. So whenever we are faced with these obstacles and problems, we have 2 options. Option 1, we change the line of business and get into something else. Option 2, within the same line of business or our working, we improvise on the methodology of our working or on the ways we have been doing the work and trying to figure out what improvisation can be done to improve the results. Always stick to improvising on the original business idea rather than switching business ideas more often. Sin number 5, following history and not creating it. If we run after an existing business model which everybody is doing, or all the businesses are doing, or all the other players in the market are doing, we will not be able to make big in it. We have to create it on our own. Always have the courage and vision to follow the dream you have, the original business idea you have, and don't let this world have you deviate from the original idea by their own judgments and evaluations. Sin number 6, avoiding problems. See, problems are an integral part of not only business, of every walk of life. The biggest mistake we make is avoiding or procrastinating the problem. The only way to combat this is to face the problem as soon as it arises and find an elimination to the problem. Sin number 7, focusing on too much of the detail. A businessman should always keep his focus on the growth of the business. There is this concept of focusing on the global optima rather than the local optima. इसका ये मतलब होता है कि अब कई सारी छोटी डिटेल प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही होंगी, but the major focus should be, despite all these problems, if we are moving towards our goal, we should improvise on the global optima. मतलब हमें कंपनी की अल्टीमेट ग्रोथ पे फोकस करना चाहिए rather than trying to fix each and every little thing in the company. By just avoiding all these sins in the past 12 years, we have evolved as a very system oriented pharmaceutical manufacturing unit of the country. If you want to take advantage of the world class systems that we follow in our manufacturing facilities, connect with us on the following numbers and email ID. We would be more than happy to serve you. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get regular updates about the pharmaceutical industry and our company. Thank you very much for watching this video.